welcome to the adventures. So, new year, new things. We talked about trying to get some things done, and I was able to mention it in our last video. And so that way we could better serve you guys and just make life a little bit more simple. Yeah. So with that, we want to talk about the Amazon store, how it works, and how we are going to continue to add to it and things like that. So an Amazon store you can do for creators that have content that talk about a lot of stuff, like us.
Yeah.
And it makes it really, really easy. So it's broken down into different categories. So we have like a shower bag category or kitchen category, coffee category, making your truck into a home. And so things that we have in the truck. So example, if you wanted to get this shower bag, you can just click on the shower bag link. You can get this exact bag. And then also you can get things in the bag. So maybe you ladies want shampoo bar and conditioner bar. So this is what I use to wash my hair. It's right under that category. Traveling toothpaste holders, different things like that. So products that we have in this bag. So if you literally are just starting out or you wanted to give yourself a upgrade, you can just go in that category and start adding things to your Amazon account, and it's going to build that exact bag and everything in it. Just like that.
It makes it a lot easier since she took the time to go through and create a store. Then you can just look through and see. You don't have to go through our 150 videos. I know a lot of times she'll put links to this and links to that, but if you want to see what we use, I mean, it's an easy place just to sort through and see if you like it or not.
Yeah, and I know some of you just listen to the videos while you're driving, so that makes it really tough to be like, now what video? Did I see that? Where did she talk about that? How can I find that link? This keeps everything all in one. So maybe you see on my Insta story about me making coffee sometimes. So this is my electric tea kettle. I also use it to heat water for coffee, mashed potatoes, all different kinds of things, making gravy.
Dishwater right now because our water heater took a poo.
It's so true. Yeah. And then you want to see like the steeper mug, and so this is a mug that has a steeping basket in it, so you can infuse water, teas, or steep coffee. So these are things I don't talk about as much on the YouTube channel, but you might see it regularly on Facebook and Instagram, and so these are on there. Just things like that. So check out the Amazon store. Another thing that we did was our Linktree. So Linktree is a one link that puts all of your links together in one location, so it'll make it easier. If you click in the description, you'll always be able to find the Linktree, and you'll always be able to find the Amazon store. So that also the Linktree, you can find the Amazon store, the YouTube link, the Instagram link, the Facebook link. If you want our sleep system, so the Froley link. If you wanted to see like our interview with News Nation, that link's directly on there. A lot of common links that you guys ask me about makes it easy. One spot for all of them. So
I wasn't a really big fan of Amazon. It took me a while to get on board, but man, it is awful convenient to know if you need to get something. You don't have to try to get off the interstate. You know, you can look and see what day it's going to be delivered, and you know, we can try to do those when we get home. And if it does get there before we get home, we've got a huge plastic box outside that they just put the stuff in. And if we're going to be gone too long, then her mom will go empty it out for us. She'll send her mom up to fetch the packages.
Yeah. But I'm not a big Amazon person either. I also don't like Walmarts and things like that, but I understand the reality of society and how life just works in today's world. And just because I don't use Amazon doesn't mean like the rest of the world is that way. I understand most of you can't go a week without getting an Amazon package. But also check out our video on Amazon Locker. So by using the Amazon store, so example, this backpack and all of the contents in it, you could have sent to an Amazon Locker. So if you know it's going to take you 2 days to make one of your trips, so if you're team drivers, if you're going coast to coast or like Maryland to Texas, something like that, you could go ahead and order that and then have it waiting at a truck stop at a locker. You can swing by that locker. It leaves in the locker for 2 to 3 days. So you can plan when you want it delivered there, and it's going to deliver to the locker, and you can pick this right up on the road. So you don't even have to wait until you get home. So I know some of you stay out for weeks or months at a time. You don't have to do that. This makes it easy, convenient for you guys to upgrade your trucks and make it into a home. So that's why we kind of did this.
And the greatest thing about Amazon is I logged into her account from my phone, so anytime anything gets ordered, it goes on her card and her account. So whenever I hear you're ordering too much stuff, I'm like, look, my name's not on the box. You did that.
Mm-hmm. You can tell who has a shopaholic problem. But all right, guys. So I'm excited. We're already right out the gate. We're not even a month into the year, and we're already improving stuff to make things easier for you guys. So there's even a trucker dog link on there for a little store for Willow Jane. Yeah, if you have little ones, or if you want to get a pup while you're on the road. Everything that we used to start her out on the road, because we got her when she was like 10 weeks old, and she's been on the truck since.
She's almost a year old now.
Yeah. All right, guys, you stay safe and enjoy the adventures.
Bye.